It's going to be a little device, kind of like a Roku or kind of like a little Apple speaker. It is going to be your personal assistant. It's going to, like Jennifer was talking a moment ago, where it can go and make holiday bookings for you, do your banking, pay your bills. This is a personal service robot, an AI robot that is going to be sitting in your home, and it'll sit on a desk. And they make those look pretty cute as well. They've got little doe eyes and they're pretty amazing. They'll sit on your desk and you can change the face and make them look pretty, and they're really cute. But they're functional AI robots. These robots also now become connected to your entire home. So now imagine your refrigerator. Your refrigerator right now has a big screen. That screen is about 3 feet tall, maybe 2.5 feet wide, kind of like an iPad, but it's big. That iPad is your interface to everything, not just in your home, but in your life. This is real and happening now. So you go up to your screen and you can talk to your refrigerator and say, hey, I need this, I need that. Can you do this? Can you make the shades a little bit lighter here? Can you turn the temperature up or down? Can you turn those lights on? Can you look after the sprinklers? Can you make sure nobody steals things from our home? And so your refrigerator becomes one version of a hub. Your TV becomes another version of a hub, but the AI is now trained to your requirements. It's going to listen, learn from you, your habits, your ideas, and so it's going to mimic the behavior or represent your values, your ideas, right? As an agent, right? That's on your refrigerator. Yeah.
And John, and